When you perform calculations using measured values, you can't just write down every digit from your calculator. You must show only as many digits as your measurements justify. This is why we follow specific rules for using significant figures in arithmetic operations like multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Rule 1. In multiplication or division, the final result must have the same number of significant figures as the value with the least number of significant figures. Example: mass is 4.237 grams means 4 significant figures. Volume is 2.51 cubic centimeters means 3 significant figures. Density equals to mass divided by volume. So, 4.237 divided by 2.51 is 1.6872. Then, round to 3 significant figures means final answer is 1.69 grams per cubic centimeter. So, your result should never be more precise than your least precise input. In addition or subtraction, the result must have the same number of decimal places as the term with the fewest decimal places. Example: 436.32 grams, 2 decimal places. 227.2 grams, 1 decimal place. 0.301 grams, 3 decimal places. So raw sum will be 663.821 grams, and final answer is 663.8 grams, rounded to 1 decimal place. This rule is based on position of the decimal, not the total number of digits. Many students mix up the two rules. Remember, use significant figures for multiplication and division. Use decimal places for addition and subtraction. Also, avoid rounding off intermediate steps. Always keep one extra digit during the calculation and round off only at the end. Let's summarize. In multiplication and division, round based on least significant figures. In addition and subtraction, round based on least decimal places. Following these rules ensures that your result reflects the precision of the original measurements. Not more, not less. Even after applying these rules, you often need to round off your answer properly. But rounding has its own logic, especially when the last digit is a 5. Let's move on to the next section, rounding off the uncertain digits.